Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a sample journal for managing your passwords. Just open this journal app and then click on Create, select Sample Journals, and here you can use a very useful template, this Password Manager. Click on it and then tap Use this journal. Wait a few seconds and you can see that this is a nice password manager. You can write anything you want to, and if you go back, you can see that your password manager is here and you can access it whenever you want to. I hope it will be useful. Have a nice day.